A spicy, beefy kick on a British classic. Yorkshire puddings are a savory, English-baked popover with crispy, puffy edges. To level them up, we are going to add slices of delicious umami roast beef to them. Start by searing the beef, then brush on oyster sauce before roasting. Lecom Key's Panda brand oyster-flavored sauce is the easiest way to bring umami to whatever you're cooking. And for a crispy, crunchy kick, we're adding a drizzle of chili crisp oil on top of the horseradish. To enjoy these at your holiday table or any time of the year, visit the link in our bio to get the full written recipe.